So welcome my friends once again on your channel. Today we are going to create this tube. At the end we are going to add these end caps of these measurements. You see 30, 2.5, it's the size of a tube with this measurement millimeter and thickness. So I hope you enjoy. Let's start. So come to File, choose New, select Part and say OK. So let's make plane white first and choose front plane, a sketch. So come to sketch and select line. Select line. OK, start from any point you want and choose another line. OK. So let's add dimensions. Choose my dimension. Keep this one and give it 500 millimeter. So select this one also. Give it 315 millimeter. Let's keep 400 millimeter. Okay, so you see it is still underdefined. So select this point, hold Control on keyboard and select this origin, make it coincident. Yes. So let's select line, draw one vertical line, okay, assign dimension, give this one 400 millimeter. So let's add this angle, keep this angle 50 millimeter. Okay, so now you see my sketch is fully defined. So let's exit sketch. Exit sketch. So let's add hues. So come to this one, element, choose structure number. So select the size of tube, this one, ISO standard. So types of tube profiles, square tube, so 30, 30, 2.6 and so on. So say new group and choose this side. Okay, you see, choose this also and say yes. So go to selection number, make another new group, select this one, say yes. So let's go to end cap, select this axis height. So let's go to element, choose this end cap. So end cap, you see this is the size of end cap. So you see this one 0.1, this thickness of end cap 5 millimeter. 0.1, it is the distance from this thickness of tube up to inside or outside. So let's select this one. You see, we have thickness of end cap, we have 5, you have the distance of offset. You can choose like this one and so on. So let's choose another. You see, so I can change the size of this one, can make 0, 0.2. you see, so the size is going to be decreased. So let's come to this corner treatment. I can add fillet. You see this one is fillet. I can choose chamfer. You see this one. So my choice is fillet 3 radius. Okay, let's rotate. Select this end. So now my all tubes have end cap. I can say yes. So you see. So let's add appearance. Select part by default, choose appearance. So you can add some appearance you want. Okay. Say yes. So choose this end cap appearance. So choose appearance on end cap. You can choose this one. And yes, say yes. So friends, this is how to make tubes in SolidWorks. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.